In this video, I'll show you how to send an image to the back in Google Slides. If you have a picture covering text, shapes, or another image on your slide, Google Slides lets you quickly move that picture behind the other elements. This is useful when you want to use an image as a background, or when you need your text and graphics to stay visible on top. In Google Slides on desktop, this is done from the Arrange menu, where you can change the order of objects on the slide. First, open your presentation in Google Slides and go to the slide that has the image you want to move. Click once on the image so it is selected. You need to make sure the image itself is highlighted before changing its order. Then go to the top menu, click Arrange, choose Order, and then click Send to Back. That will place the image behind text, shapes, and other objects on the same slide. Google's Help page lists Order as the place where you can put an object behind or in front of other items. There is also a faster method if you like keyboard shortcuts. On Windows or ChromeOS, you can press Control plus Shift plus down arrow. On Mac, you can press Command plus Shift plus down arrow. That sends the selected image straight to the back without opening the menu. If you only want to move it one layer at a time instead of all the way to the back, you can use Send Backward instead. If the image still does not look right, check whether there are other objects stacked on the slide. Sometimes you may need to bring your text box or shape forward, or slightly resize the image so it fits better as a background. You can also use alignment guides and positioning tools in slides to make everything look cleaner and more balanced. Google Slides includes these arrange options for ordering, aligning, and positioning objects on a slide. So again, the key steps are simple. Select the image, go to Arrange, then Order, then Send to Back. That's the easiest way to place an image behind your content in Google Slides. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.